Hoarding gets a bad rep, but in a true grid-down scenario, running out of everyday supplies will be your biggest nightmare. Forget the fancy gear for a second. Welcome to the prepper's path, and these are 5 items every prepper should be hoarding right now. Number 1. Bic lighters. Stop worrying about bow drills. Buy a 50-pack. They give you instant fire, and they will be the ultimate post-collapse barter currency. Number 2. Contractor trash bags. The thick 3mm ones. They aren't just for trash. They are emergency ponchos, waterproof gear covers, and absolutely mandatory for off-grid sanitation. Number 3. Plain bar soap. After a disaster, disease kills more people than starvation. Bar soap is dirt cheap, lasts forever, and will literally save your life. Number 4. Heavy-duty duct tape. When the stores close, you can't buy replacement parts. You repair what you have. Buy the thickest tape you can find. Number 5. Isopropyl alcohol. The ultimate multitasker. It's a first-aid disinfectant, a heavy-duty cleaner, and a clean-burning emergency stove fuel. What everyday item are you hoarding right now? Tell me in the comments. Hit subscribe to keep your stash growing, and I'll see you next time.